Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Tili Day. I don't know. QVC Tili, try it, love it. It is a box full of deluxe samples, sometimes full-sized items from QVC. Let's get into it and see what we've got. This is a really pretty fall box. I really enjoy the way they made it look for fall. The bottom is olive. It's just really nice. It has gone up, I believe, to $28.50. I will let you guys know right here. And it comes out every other month. Last month I was like, I didn't get my Tili box this month. And I went looking and it said, yeah, it'll come next month. And I saw that on auto ship, which is how I have it, it's now coming every other month. I don't mind that at all. I think when they were doing it month over month, it was far too repetitious. So we will see if now that they are doing it every other month, there are more new things, because I have no idea what's in here. That's the beauty of Tili on auto delivery. There are no spoilers. You could probably get online and have it tell you what you're gonna get, but I don't. I don't wanna. So let's dig into it. I have a little piece of paper that luckily without my glasses I cannot see. And it will tell us just, I think, basically the basics of what we are receiving. I love these boxes. I always talk about this. These are kind of like the glossy boxes and they look fantastic. They are the firmest, nicest box to keep for storage. And this one from the side, if I had it it's very fall-like. Kudos to QVC for a fall-like look. When we open it up on the inside, they just put all of your goodies in here and scrunch tissue paper around them. Don't mind it at all. I always receive it in ship shape. I don't think I've ever had any issues. And that is what it looks like. I always say it's $28.50. It used to be $25, but like I said, I think it's $28.50 now. Plus you might pay shipping. I will let you know for sure about all the pricing on it. But I don't ever mind, because especially when I open it up, this is one of the things that they repeat a lot. And we'll start with this because it's Elemis. And I love the Elemis face creams, and I will also do the pricing on this for you as we go. They always pay for the cost of the box because it's not inexpensive. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich, 0.5 fluid ounces. It comes in real life in 1 ounce and 1.6 or 7 ounces also, but those are very expensive. I think from doing this in the past, I remember that the pricing on this is like $40 something, $40, $42, which covers the cost of the box if you like this product, and I do, so here we are. That's why I continue to get the QVC Tili. This is the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle rich day cream. And you guys know I have super, super sensitive skin, and I can use this with no problem. It says help improve hydration and leave skin feeling moisturized with this ultra rich cream. Well, like I said, this makes it worth it for me because I love this product, although we are getting very close to drunk elephant season. When fall and winter comes and I start getting super dry, I start using my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro. It's a really thick cream. It absolutely is one of my favorites, and I use it a lot in the winter. Next out of the box, and I'm gonna pick it up next because it annoys me. That's right, I said I'm annoyed. This is me annoyed. Okay, it is the new Advanced Repair Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's a foil pack. It's just, see on here, it's just, this is a little foil pack. No bueno. I don't love foil packs. You can't know. The only thing you can know is if you have like an immediate allergic reaction to something, you can be like, oh, nope, this doesn't work. But even me, with my super sensitive skin, there are some things that I can use for 2 days, 4 days, sometimes 2 weeks. And then all of a sudden my face is like, no, thank you. I don't think I care for this anymore. Full bloom. I don't get pimples. I get little red dots that are just, it's like if you use something that gives you hives on your hand. It's kind of hivey and red, and I really went off on a tangent on this Estee Lauder. This Estee Advanced Night Repair, I will pass along to my mom. My mom loves the Estee Lauder products. She can give it a try. It is new, fast repair, youth generating power with Chronolux Power Signal Technology. Chronolux. Sounds like a watch. Next out, these are Lancer Gentle Exfoliating Peel Pads with 7% lactic acid and bakuchiol. It is one wipe, and we have 2 of them as best I can tell. I have had some Lancer products that I've had good luck with in the past and some that I have not. We have 2 of these packets. Foil packs. Well, in all fairness, I guess this isn't a foil pack because you get a box of these. And it's Lancer Gentle Exfoliating Peel Pads. Help to resurface and brighten the appearance of skin in a single step. The wipes are formulated with bakuchiol, lactic acid, and papaya fruit extract and oatmeal to help smooth and brighten the look of skin. This will eat my face off. Period. End of sentence. This will eat my face off. My face would not like this even a little bit. So we have 2 of them. I will look up how many normally comes in a box and how much that normally costs. Okay, next out. Now we're talking. I mean, we're not talking for me, but we're talking for every other normal human. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. It is 8 ml, which is 0.27 fluid ounces. I don't have great luck with Sunday Riley. How annoyed are you guys? I have been getting nothing but things I can't use in boxes lately. This says, this serum is formulated with a stabilized retinoid blend, encapsulated retinol, and an algae extract, as well as with CoQ10, Hawaiian white honey, bisabolol, prickly pear cactus, and ginger. Put 2 to 3 pumps on in the evening, clean and dry skin. For new retinoid users, use 2 days on, 2 days off, and work your way up to every other day. Isn't 2 days on, 2 days off kind of like every other day? I don't know. You guys do what works for you, but this is probably a good priced product in this box. Hopefully I've let you know. Next out, this will be our full-size product. We have a Kisses Fixer Waterproof Gel Liner. Waterproof gel liner. Liking it. Who is that by? Kisses Fixer. I don't know. Let's see if it tells us. Belle Beauty by Kim Gravel Waterproof Gel Lip Liner. This Kisser Fixer Waterproof Gel Lip Liner offers a vibrant color. Can't wait to see what that is. Perfect coverage and helps to smooth the look of lips. It stays where you put it, bringing out the appearance of your best lips. Let's see what color I got. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of a berryish, kind of a deep berry. I like it. What have I got on? Let's go ahead and put it on. I probably have to fill in my whole lip because I have a very light pink on. That's it as a liner. And that is it as an all over lip. It was very easy to put on. I will tell you, having this 10 by mirror though, wow, I am in need of exfoliation on my face. I like that color a lot. That you guys know if you watch the channel, whenever I reach for a dark color, I almost always reach for something in this family. It's kind of a dark berryish color. Although it's gonna dry down in the beginning when I put it on, it had a little movement. It didn't feel too dry. So we'll see how waterproof it is. We'll give it a test in a minute with some water. Reaching in next, I have a Tula The Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This is 1.67 ounces. That is what it looks like. It does not have the ingredients on here, and I know there are some Tula products that I can use and some that I can't. Oh, are they on here? They might be on here. I was gonna say, so I will look it up and see if it's something. Some of them have licorice root. In the beginning, they all had licorice root in them. But I have noticed lately some do not. I don't know if they pulled it or what. There's nothing in here I can't use. It says this refreshing gel cleanser by Tula helps remove impurities and other surface debris. It helps clean the skin without stripping it or over drying. It's formulated with lactic acid to help exfoliate dead skin and improve the look of skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this sealed just in case. Let's make sure it is sealed actually. It is. It's got a nice seal on it. So it's a good size. I mean, you could use this for probably a month. It is a good size cleanser. So we'll leave that sealed. This has probably got a nice value on it too. Next out, we have Gel Polish Removal Mini Kit. It's from Les Mini Macarons for fast and easy removal of salon gel manicures, at-home gel manicures, and regular nail polish. Well, that's its little box. Let's dig into this and find out because I need some nail polish removal. For gel polish removal, roughly file the surface of your gel manicure, break the top coat. Tear open the packet and place your finger inside. Okay. Oh, wow, this is a whole thing. Oh my gosh, we got a billion. You must use one per finger because we got a ton of these. Let me show you guys. We got a ton of these. So I'm guessing maybe one per finger, do you think? We also got this so you could buff the top, and then this so you can help peel it up. I am very excited about this. I will save it for when I do a gel nail because you're right, getting them off can be hard. So you tear open the packet, you place your finger inside the wet cotton pad touching the nail surface. Remove the outer sticker, folding the left and right sides airtight around the finger. Wait 15 minutes. Gel will detach from the nail surface. Use the cuticle stick or nail file to remove any remaining gel. Wash hands and apply cream if desired. So yeah, you need one of these for each finger, and we got 20. So we have 2 full removals. I ain't here to tell you, I don't know how much this costs, but if it works, I don't know if have you guys ever gotten like a dip gel? I mean, I'm hoping that this will work on that. A dip gel at the salon and then try to take it off at your house. It is a job, and it is a messy job. I took cotton pads and I did it like they do it, and I wrapped each finger in foil, and I had stuff everywhere. So I don't care. No, that's an over dramatization. If it works really well, it could be a little pricey and still be worth it. Although you can have them removed for $5 at the nail salon. I haven't been to a nail salon yet because I haven't worked up to the nerve to sit still that close to somebody yet. I know. If this works, that is awesome. And last but not least, we have a Feel Fresh makeup remover towel from Campanelli. We get these periodically. This is one of the things that they do tend to repeat in the box. I don't mind. I give them away sometimes. I keep them sometimes. And these come with a little bag. It says before initial use, you have to wash and dry it. Then you simply wet the towel with warm water, wring it out until it's only slightly damp. Doing so will leave both sides of your Face Fresh makeup towel remover ready to use, and you can use it with just water or your favorite cleanser. I use microfiber, usually my Norwex cloths, every day. It's what I prefer. I have to use cleanser. And then when you wash it, you just also have to dry it, and you can't use fabric softener or dryer sheets, or it will make the microfiber absolutely useless. But look how pretty that blue is. It's a pretty teal blue. Oh, is it 2? It is 2. It's a small one and a big one. I had forgotten. I wonder what my other green set is. But you have one regular side that has the shorter nap. I don't know if this will come across. And the other side has a longer nap. And they say that this one is more exfoliating. It has a nice little hang towel. I like these. I usually use them, I'd say 2 or 3 days, because you just rub it together and wring it out really well. And it takes all the makeup off of it. And then this, if you have to travel somewhere, that's a nice bag to have. Okay, so that is the Tili. I guess we'll call it the October box because I did just receive it, and we receive one every other month now. If I can find it online, I will put the link down below for you for it. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just, I know sometimes it can be hard. They don't always have them listed. So it can be difficult to sign up for this box. I'm not sure why they make it so difficult, but they do seem to. But we got the Campanelli 2 washcloths in there. This really cool Le Mini Macaron Gel Polish Removal Mini Kit. The waterproof lip liner that I used all over my lips. Like it. The 2 Lancer Gentle Exfoliating Peel Pads. The Tula Cleanser. The A+ by Sunday Riley. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And our treasured foil packet of Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So that is the box. $28.50 I think is what it costs now, but I have let you know that. And again, it's worth it for me because I like the Elemis, and the Elemis alone pays for it. But this month, I am so excited to just have these around to be able to take off gels on my own. I like the lip thing. I will use the face cleanser. So this was a good month for me. Don't mind it at all. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.